Now everything's flooded. Well guys, I did everything I could. The water's here. It's up against the house now. Try to do everything I could. All right, there's some kids in the neighborhood, so we're gonna get these families out and on the bus. So that's why I took the chance of pulling out the bus.
Get in. Get in. Let me see how you're exhausted.
Another kid with special needs over here. You all right? Everyone just get back there. Come on, hurry. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We don't have much time, let's go. Come on, come in, come in.